Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple and a quick step on how to update Candy Crush Soda Saga game. If you are looking for a way to get that latest update for the famous Candy Crush Soda Saga game, then here's how you can do it. Go ahead and open your App Store. To begin, go to the search box and type in Candy Crush Soda Saga and search. Once you look for this application, give it a tap, and then if you see an update button on this page, simply tap on the update button to begin downloading the latest update for Candy Crush Soda Saga. If you see an open button, it means you already have the latest update installed for yourself. Once the update is done, open Candy Crush Soda Saga again and get started and play the Candy Crush Soda Saga game with the latest updates and performance improvements. That is how you can easily update Candy Crush Soda Saga on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.